Hey, Mike Moo here. Today I'm unboxing, giving you my first impressions of the Altor's newest bicycle lock. This is the Apex. It's the newest line in their series. They are known for a very fancy bicycle lock made of grade 5 titanium. This is, of course, their stainless steel version. And right now it is on sale for about $100, which represents a $50 off their normal retail price. So I have links down below for this in case you're interested. This is a really fairly lightweight lock. It's 2.5 pounds total, and they actually have a really nice little brochure showing you a little bit more about what's going on in here. So right here it says, ride more, worry less. Altor apparently is Latin for protector. Didn't know that. That's pretty much the way it looks. Secure, lightweight, versatile. Apex series comes with years of research and uses our patented folding cylindrical link design. Lock is fabricated by hand just outside of Washington, D.C. at Sterling, Virginia. Each lock is set to last a lifetime. This is the way it mounts onto the frame of the bike. I'm actually going to be using this with the folding bike first, so this will be interesting to see the way things fit on there. This is, of course, a little close-up of their titanium version, grade 5. And you won't need your key to lock this lock. Basically, it's great because you can, I don't necessarily care for the ones where you actually need a key to lock. This is really cool. Simple push. Features designed to make your life easier, especially on cold days. You won't need your key to lock this lock. Your new lock uses best-in-class push-button disc retainer locking mechanism, which will lock itself with a simple push. This feature is designed to make your life easier, especially on cold days. Yep. You'll find your lock already mounted to our frame mount, which screws onto your bicycle frame. We've partnered with Alchemy Goods to create American-made upcycled saddlebags. It carries up to 2 locks. That looks really nice. You can find our saddlebags on the website. I'll have links down below on this if I can find it on Amazon. If you have to lock up to telephone poles, trees, or locks can be combined to form a longer lock. We can also build matching sets of locks with identical keys. Cool. And apparently they come with a bunch of different colors. I think these are for the titanium series. I don't think the steel series they have all these colors yet. Register your 4-digit key code online so you may order replacement keys at any time. Okay, so let's take a look at the lock here. It's already attached to the frame. And at 2.5 pounds, I think that's much more reasonable than most U-locks. It's got this rubber protective cover outside of this. So I guess that's the black portion. And this is a little rubber strap, I like that, secured with a screw, and this will then mount onto the bicycle. I guess this will fit where you have you mount your water bottle cage or something down there in the middle. This just opens up like this, like so. This will go wrap around trees, and to lock it, well, let's see. This is all attached to the frame already, but to remove from the frame, I just push it out, I guess, just like that, like this. I just go ahead and wrap this around. Let's zoom out a little bit so you can see that. There we go. This is a wrap around something. And then I guess this will just then go in here. Okay, so this is not super intuitive. If you've never used a lock like this before, most people haven't, it could take a little bit of weird getting used to getting it just right. Maybe this is already in locked. I think this is already in locked. Yeah, it's already in locked mode, so you got pushed in already. See that cylinder in there? That cylinder is the locking mechanism. So now we have nicely done set of 4 keys. Look at that. And this goes in. It goes in here. Wow, that is interesting. Look at the cylinder in there. You definitely need a specialized. You need a specialized locksmith to make these. This is no joke. Standard lock picker probably won't be able to get through this, but lock picking lawyer can. All right, so that opens up the hole over there. This fits in like so. And push that down. Now the whole thing's locked. Okay, simple enough. But I'm not going to be able to put this key set in any sort of key organizer, I don't think. Simply because this is a very unique key. Now to open it. Come on, why are you not opening? What am I missing here? Wow. Okay, I gotta do a little bit of practice there. It's not what you think, guys, not what you think. Lock, unlock. I don't know why it was so difficult to do the first time. Now it's smooth. Had to push it all the way in. Doesn't look like there's a whole lot of space around here for the metal. It'd be interesting to see what kind of tests they run on this. Here are the two little screws that you go ahead and use to mount onto your bicycle cage. And having 4 keys is really nice. Guess that's pretty much it. That sums it up. Now to figure out exactly how to put this back in. We won't need a key. This piece goes in here. And then it just fits like that. And this wraps around like this. Okay, that's it. That's the Altor Apex. They make a bunch of other variety of locks which look really kind of fancy. They have this one ridiculous giant one that is all but like just, it really is a forget about it lock. You look at it and you're like, I'm not going to bother with that. I'm going to jump on to steal the next bike if I was a bike thief. So links down below for that as well. That's it for my first impressions unboxing of the Altor Apex bicycle steel lock. Thanks for watching. Please do like, subscribe for more, and I'll catch you in the next one.